Let's see how to set up your brand new MacBook Neo. We are going to use the trackpad. If you want to left click, you can single time press like this. A right click means you need to use two fingers. So just like that. Okay, now first choose your language. For me, I'm going to select English UK.
To use British English as the main language, press the return key.
I just choose English UK and just click the arrow single time. Now your country will be automatically fetched. You just need to select your country. In case if you want to change the country, you just scroll down using the arrow and continue. For me it's already fetched. You need to press. The thing is you need to press. Okay, if you want to transfer your data from any other Mac, I mean old Mac or Windows PC or from iPhone or iPad, you can select these steps. So here you can see if you want to select, you just press like this. For me, it's new. So setup as new and continue. I just click continue and accessibility not now. We can do this on settings. And now connect to any of your Wi-Fi. I go with this one. Just select and click continue and enter the password and join. It's connected to Wi-Fi, my home Wi-Fi. Just wait. It's still connecting. Okay, continue. And yeah, this is a Mac account. It's actually not an Apple account. It's a Mac account, like our iPhone lock screen passcode or iPad lock screen passcode. Same kind of thing. You can select the any emoji if you wish. I just select this cow and full name. I just type my name just like that. You can select an account name. This will be the name of your home folder. Okay, I leave it for default this name, and you need to create an password for this. So make sure it's tick and then continue. It's creating an Mac account. Yeah, now we can sign in with our Apple account. So if you have an Apple account, here you can enter the email ID or phone number. If you don't have, you just create create new Apple account, this option. You need to click this option and you just follow the upcoming steps. It's normal steps. So it's completely free account. You don't need to worry about that. And I just enter my email and click continue and enter the password as well. After enter that, click continue. Okay, to use that Apple accounts, iCloud App Store and other services, we need to verify this is actually our Apple account. So, and verification code will be sent it to our devices like iPhone or iPad or old Mac. We need to enter that here. So let's see. Okay, before that, I am going to try this with other sign-in options. We can choose sign in later in settings. Okay, I choose sign in later in settings. Okay, for now I'm going to click the did not get a verification code because I didn't get the code. Cannot access your iPhone. And we need to select this option, text the code. This is the best option I usually go with. So here you can see 97, which is my phone number lost 2 digit. So I can use this text this code. If you haven't have this number right now, you can choose cannot use this number. So text this to code. Yeah, I got this. It's done. I just read this thing and tick this checkbox. Agree. Okay, I need to enter my iPad passcode. Okay, so it's turned on location services. Okay, and click match settings. And Apple Intelligent, we can do this on settings. Skip this. That's it. Got this. Get started. Boom. That's it, guys. If you want to know more videos about MacBook Neo, you need to watch this playlist.